Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix apps won't open on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you are having an issue that your apps are not opening, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to check if there is any software update of your phone. So you have to open your settings, then go for general, and here go for software update. And here you have to make sure that your system is up to date as mine. Once you have checked if there is any update available, so you must have to download and install that update. And after that, if you are still having the same issue, you have to open your app store, and here it might be that the app is pending any update. So you have to tap on your profile in the top right corner, and here just scroll down and you will get the apps which are having any update. Here's the apps. So you must have to select the specific app, then tap on update option, and the app will be up to dated. So after that, if you are still having the same issue, so it might be that your software is updating, so you cannot use any app until your software is updating. So you just have to wait for when the software updating has been completed. But after that, if you are still having the same issue, so you have to force restart your phone. So it might be sometime it may like glitch in your iPhone and it doesn't open any app, so you must have to make a forced restart. So let's see how can you do that. You have to simply quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button. So let's see how can you do that. You have to press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until your screen goes fully black. So it will take a while, so you just have to wait for that and then release your button when you get the Apple logo. So you have to wait for it. Now release the button, so it will make a force restart your phone. So after that, you can easily use all of your apps. So in this way, you can easily fix apps not want to open an iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.